To fix Apple TV not showing up on AirPlay, start by ensuring that both your Apple device and Apple TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is a crucial step as AirPlay relies on a stable internet connection to function properly. Next, check that your Apple TV is turned on and that AirPlay is enabled. You can do this by going to the Apple TV settings, then selecting AirPlay, and making sure it is set to everyone or that your device is listed. On your Apple device, go to the Control Center and tap on Screen Mirroring or AirPlay. Then select your Apple TV from the list of available devices. If your Apple TV does not appear, try restarting both devices and then attempt to connect again. It is also important to ensure that your Apple device and Apple TV are running the latest software, as outdated software can cause connectivity issues. To update your Apple device, go to the Settings, then select General, and click on Software Update. For your Apple TV, go to the Settings, then select System, and click on Software Updates. Additionally, check that any firewalls or antivirus software on your network are not blocking AirPlay. You can do this by temporarily disabling them and then attempting to connect to AirPlay again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of your Apple TV not showing up on AirPlay and enjoy a seamless viewing experience. Remember to always keep your devices updated and connected to the same Wi-Fi network for the best results.